go for a ride? Fire truck ride! Ready, let's go!
Great truck 37.
000, what's your emergency there?
Go ahead for the fire department.
Yep, we'll be on our way.
Coming up. We're learning about fire trucks today. We go inside a real fire truck. Come on, let's go play. This is a real fire engine. We're at the Fire Museum today. We get to go inside this real fire engine.
Everyone got their doors closed? Let's go save some lives. Siren's on.
Wait, we forgot something.
Where's your safety gear?
We need our fire safety gear. We've got our fire helmets and fire safety jackets.
Gonna go in it?
Ready?
Let's go.
On.
Look at all the equipment on this fire truck. There's a fire hose and a fire rescue ladder. And look at this real fireman's pole. Coming up, a police car, an ambulance, BLiPPi toys, fire trucks, and a toy crane. Come on, let's go play.
remote control. Ah, this is a fire truck. It goes up this part and down, up, forwards and backwards.
This is a really old fire engine. It's got a bell and a fire rescue ladder. This is where the firefighters keep their fire jackets and fire helmets. This is what a real firefighter wears to protect them from the heat and the smoke. They have gloves, air, and a special face mask. We learned about what to do if there's a fire.
Then if there's a fire, you get down low.
Get down low and go, go, go.
Open the door. Get out. And don't. And make sure no one of your friends are locked in.
Coming up.
We'll need the fire truck. Get the fire truck. Truck coming out. Oh no, it's picking the car. And the other.
Come on, let's go play.
It's all in this bit.
This is a fire truck. This is a street sweeper truck. This is an ambulance. And this is the fire truck, police car, and ambulance rescue station. This is a police car.
Moving.
Lots of garbage truck toys. Come on, let's go play. Min Min, playtime.
Today we're showing all the rubbish trucks what we have today.
Hey, what's in here? I'm digging. Wait.
What, Tom?
Let's take it in. Isn't it amazing? How to put this on? Rise it up. Yeah.
Subscribe button
Right now.
Coming up. Come on, let's go play.
So what's your problem?
I need someone to mow my lawn.
Okay.
I'll pay you $50.
$50! I'm so hot. No, my leg's break. Oh no! Who stole my lawnmower? Let's ring the police. Ring, please.
What's your emergency?
My lawnmower is stolen.
I'll be on my way.
She stole my lawnmower. I was over here and now it's gone. I was just eating my lunch and then it disappeared.
Freeze! Hands off!
Hey, Are you gonna go on it?
Your love is like an ocean ready to take sail, swept by current, swallowed by a wave. Take heed, they'll say, no, no, no need to get out, just stay on a lovely holiday. Our love is easy lasting, holidays so easy passing. Our love is easy lasting, holidays so easy passing. Together we're alive, golden grains of sand. You and me, you're carrying on my hand. Take heed, they'll say.